स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः हार्दिकं स्वागतं। प्रियछात्राः, अद्य अष्टम्यां कक्षायां रुचिरा पाठ्यपुस्तके नूतनं पाठं पठामः। पाठस्य नाम अस्ति कः रक्षति कः रक्षितः। My dear students, welcome to online classes. In today's class, in class 8, we are going to start the new lesson. The name of the lesson is Kaha Rakshati, Kaha Rakshitaha. Kaha Rakshati, who protects us, and Kaha Rakshitaha, who is being protected. Are we protecting somebody? Are we being protected by somebody? That's what we are going to discuss in this lesson. प्रस्तुत पाठ स्वच्छता तथा पर्यावरण सुधार को ध्यान में रखकर सरल संस्कृत में लिखा गया एक संवादात्मक पाठ है। हम अपने आसपास के वातावरण को किस प्रकार स्वच्छ रखें तथा यह भी ध्यान रखें कि नदियों को प्रदूषित न करें, वृक्षों को न काटें, अपितु अधिकाधिक वृक्षारोपण करें और धरा को शस्य श्यामला बनाएं। प्लास्टिक का प्रयोग कम करके पर्यावरण संरक्षण में योगदान करें। इन सभी बिंदुओं पर इस पाठ में चर्चा की गई है। पाठ का प्रारंभ कुछ मित्रों की बातचीत से होता है जो सायंकाल में दिन भर की गर्मी से व्याकुल होकर घर से बाहर निकले हैं। So, as we know, this lesson starts in the form of conversation between the friends. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about how we can protect the environment and how we will be protected by the good environment. In this lesson, two friends come out of their house in the summer and they discuss. This is how their discussion starts. ग्रीष्मर्तौ सायंकाले विद्युदभावे प्रचंडोष्मणा पीडितः वैभवः गृहात् निष्क्रमति। ग्रीष्मर्तौ, ग्रीष्म अधिकं ऋतौ, ग्रीष्मर्तौ गुणसन्धिः अस्ति। ग्रीष्म समर, ऋतुः सीजन, in the summer season. सायंकाले, in the evening. विद्युदभावे, that when there is a power cut. विद्युतः अभावे प्रचंड उष्मणा पीडितः, horrible summer, horrible heat. He is so much affected by the horrible heat. वैभवः गृहात् निष्क्रमति. Vaibhav had no option. He comes out of the house in the summer evening. वैभवः, अरे परमिंदर, अपित्वमपि विद्युदभावे पीडितः बहिरागतः. He is speaking to the Parminder. My dear Parminder, you are also so much affected by the summer heat. That's why you have come out of the home. Parminder speaks. Am mitra ekataha prachandatapakalaha anyatascha vidyutabhavaha param bahiragatyapi pashyami yat vayuvegaha tu sarvatha avaruddhaha. Parminder is telling, yes, my dear friend, one side it is too much hot, another side there is no power at the home, and I have come out and I am seeing that even the outside there is no wind, the wind is not blowing. Sarvatha avaruddhaha, the air is stopped here. Satyame voktam, it is told very truly. What is told? Prinati. Prinati pavanena jagat sakalam सृष्टिर निखिला चैतन्यमयी क्षणमपि न जीव्यते अनेन विना सर्वातिशायी मूल्यः पवनः. As we know, the main thing to live, what we need is the air. Air is the most precious thing that we get in the environment. Praniti pavanena jagat sakalam. praniti, live. Entire world lives because of the air. Srushtir Nikila Chaitanyamayi. The activeness in this world comes from the air that we breathe. If you don't breathe the proper air, you will not have any activeness at all. Kshanamapi na jivyate anena vina. If without this air, you cannot live for a second. Sarvatishaya Sarvatishayi Mulyaha Pavanaha. That's why most precious thing in the environment is the air. Vinayaha. In between, Vinay joins them. Are Mitra, Sharirat Nakevalam Sweda Bindavaha Apitu Sweda Dharaha Iva Prasravanti. So, from the body, not only the drops of sweat is coming, it is coming like a flowing like a river. Sweda Dharaha. The sweat flows from the body. Smriti Pathamayati Shukla Mahodayaihi Rachitaha Shlokaha. So I remember a shloka written by Shuklaji. Shukla is a very famous poet in Sanskrit. Shukla Mahodayaihi Rachitaha Shlokaha. तप्तैर्वाथा घातैरवितुं लोकान् नभसि मेघाः आरक्षि विभागजना इव समवेनैव दृश्यन्ते तप्तैः वाताघातैः अवितुं लोकान् नभसि मेघाः आरक्षि विभागजना इव समयेनैव दृश्यन्ते. What a comedy, what a beautiful poem he has written. So he is comparing the clouds to the policemen. How? Just like when the thieves come, no police doesn't come. Like that, these clouds are like police. When we are suffering from the sweat so much, these clouds are not at all coming. Taptaihi megha ghataihi avitum. When we are so much disturbed from megha ghataihi, avitum lokan nabhasi meghaha arakshi vibhaga jana iva samaye naiva drishyante. In time, you cannot see the police. In the recently, one more joke was there. When you want somebody to guide in the traffic, you don't find any traffic police. But when somebody wants to check your DL, put you fine, 3 4 policemen will come. So, like that, these clouds are like police. When we need in the summer, they don't come. When we don't need, they will rain continuously. What a beautiful shloka. I hope you enjoyed this shloka. Next, Parminder. Adyatu Vastutaha eva. Yes, what you told. Really, I am feeling today the same. Nidhagata pataptasya yati talu hi shushkatam pumso bhayarditasyeva swedavat jayate vapuhu. So he is telling Nidhagatapataptasya Yati Taluhi Shushkatam. Nidhagaha. Please note down the new word. Nidhagaha means summer. Grishma Kalaha. Nidhagaha. Nidhaga Tapataptasya. One who is so much suffered from the summer heat. What will happen? Entire body gets dry. And he is telling Yati Talu hi Shushkatam. Talu. I hope I have told you the Varnochara Sthanani. Akuha Visarjaniyanam Kantaha. Ichu Yashanam Talu. So we have tongue. All of you think we have got two tongue, double tongue fellow. We make fun. So in the inside the tongue there is a small tongue. In the throat you will find it will be hanging. Even that talu is becoming shushka. It is becoming very dry. That means the summer is affecting so much. Pumsaha bhayarditasyaiva svedavajjayate upuhu. As if somebody gets fear, what will happen? He will be shivering and he will be having so much sweat. Today I see that everybody is so much Feared because everybody is getting so much sweat. Are the people everybody is feared? No. But still without the fear, everybody is getting sweat because of the summer. Joseph, aha, in between their friend Joseph joins them. Mitrani yatra tatra bhumika bhavananam bhumigata marganam visheshatah metro marganam uparigami setunam मार्गोत्यादीनां निर्माणाय वृक्षाः कर्त्यन्ते तर्हि अन्यत् किमपेक्षते अस्माभिः वयं तु विस्मृतवन्तः एव. Please look at the city, my dear friends. Joseph is telling, Yatra Tatra Bahubhumika Bhavananam. Bahubhumika, multi-store buildings. Everywhere in the city, if you see, you don't find a single house. Everywhere, 4 floors, 5 floors. In the metro cities, you will find 60 floors, 70 floors. Huh? As the apartment is too tall, it is very famous, people feel. To make such buildings, people are cutting the trees. Bhumigata marganam, where the people are making ways. Where is the road? Now people will dig underground roads. Nowadays, everywhere only on the earth roads were there. Now, underpasses everywhere. Every rail track you will find a underpass. So, Bhumigata Marganam, the ways are making, they are digging the earth and making the ways. Visheshatah metro marganam. You have to see the metro trains are very common in all the metro cities. To make these metro trains, they are cutting n number of trees. Uparigama setunam, uparigami setunam, upari gachati iti uparigami. Flyovers. Uparigami setu means flyovers. To make the flyover, there is no city, there is no town which doesn't have flyover nowadays. So everywhere the new trend is that it has become a new trend of the every town and city that it must have flyovers. Margetyadinam, even for the ordinary path, ordinary road, to make that vrikshaha karyante. They cut the trees everywhere. Anyat kimapekshate asmabhihi. What else we need? That's what we are getting the punishment out of that. Vayam tu vismritavantaha eva. We have forgotten. Ekena shushka vrikshena dahyamanena vanhina dahyate tadvanam sarvam kuputrena kulam yatha. Ekena shushka vrikshena, as one dry tree in the forest, when it burns, it will burn many green trees. Just like one bad sun in a house will spoil the entire family. It will spoil the fame and name of the complete family. Like that, one dry tree will spoil the forest. That's why we should remember that we should not cut our trees. This is what the Joseph is telling. Next, Parminder joins him. Parminder, etadapi sarvatha satyam. Agachantu naditiram gachamaha. Tatra chet kanchit shantim praptum shakshema. So Parminder gives an idea. So let us not waste the time here. Let us go to the river and enjoy the river. On the banks of the river, it will be very peaceful. Nadi Tiram Gantukamaha. They all want to go to the river pond, on the banks of river. And due to the time constraint, I am stopping here. In the next period, we will see whether they are going to the river. What do they do in the bank of the river? Bhavatu Shubhadinam, Bhavatu Anudinam, Dhanyavadaha, Gruhe Eva Tishtantu. स्वस्थाः जीवन्तु।